Herd immunity is when a sufficiently large portion of the population is vaccinated. It becomes very difficult for a pathogen to spread within this population. This concept is based on the fact that pathogens are passed from one individual to another when they are in close contact. So when the vast majority of the population is immune, it is very improbable that a susceptible individual will come in contact with someone who is infected with this pathogen. So, in this population, the individuals who are not immune will also be protected simply by the fact that there is a very low probability that there are people who are infected around them to give them the pathogen in the first place. So, by vaccinating the majority of the population, you are essentially protecting all of the population. This is the concept of herd immunity. It is important because it's actually never possible to vaccinate everyone in a large population. Babies can't be vaccinated, neither can very young children, because their immune system is not fully functional. So even if the vaccine contains a small amount of the pathogen, you could actually be giving them the disease. Same happens to people with compromised immune systems, people whose immune systems do not function properly. For each disease, there is a specific percentage of the population that you must vaccinate to achieve herd immunity. Once you find that amount, you must immediately vaccinate that number of the population at one time.